Welcome to Source Machining Specialties, your trusted U.S. partner for building a resilient, diversified supply chain with India. With over 30 years of experience, we specialize in helping manufacturers diversify their supply chains by delivering high-quality, precision-engineered parts at significant cost savings. If you're looking to diversify your supply chain and shift part of your sourcing or production to India, we're here to help. From casting, forging, precision machining, gears, and other custom-engineered components, we connect you with the right manufacturing partners to meet your needs. Our partners hold ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications.
We are very confident that with this state-of-art, high quality, high precision machining facility can offer you all the best of world-class facilities and world-class products from our side.
Whether you're in automotive, industrial machinery, medical devices, electronics, oil and gas, or other demanding sectors, we supply components designed to excel in performance and durability. Over the years, we've had the privilege of partnering with industry-leading clients on a wide range of projects. This timeline highlights key milestones in our journey, showcasing the diverse industries we've served and the tailored solutions we've delivered. Ready to diversify your supply chain and build resilience? Contact our team today. Source Machining Specialties, resilient supply chains, powered by India.